Alright, we're here in the enterprise-owned iTunes account screen. This is an optional screen. You do not have to complete any of this information, but it's a very powerful feature of the plugin. So let me explain what happens here. For many enterprise, public schools, school districts, companies, the value of using the volume purchase program is in retaining the ownership of the apps that you purchase. If you simply give the codes away to your end users and they redeem those codes under their personal iTunes account, then they are the owner of that application. The enterprise has given the application away. And that may be what you want. If that's the case, leave this section blank. However, if you prefer that they redeem those codes under an enterprise-owned, call it a global iTunes account. It could be a school district-owned iTunes account. It could be a company-owned iTunes account. Then you need to fill this section out. Simply enter the iTunes Apple ID for your global account. You can enter the current password for the account. I'll put some asterisks in here so you can't see the account credentials. And you can stop there. If we save just these settings, then your end users will be able to look up these credentials. They'll first have to log into WordPress. This allows you to enforce security. But if they log into WordPress, if they're a subscriber or higher in WordPress, then they will be able to, on the front end, look up the current credentials. You could manually change these credentials periodically if you want to, but one of the powerful features of this software, of this plugin, is that it can automatically change your enterprise account password on a rotating basis. So we could say every 6 hours we want to change this password. Now to do that, to change the password on the Apple ID site, you have to answer some security questions. So when you set up this account, you would have had to answer 3 security questions, and they are replicated here. You need to record your exact answers here to enable the plugin to change your password for you. So select your question, provide your answer. You must have the current password filled out, and then you can update these options. This will enable the plugin to actually log in using this password to your Apple ID, answer the security questions, change the password to a new randomly generated password, and then the plugin will update that current password automatically. So it requires no more intervention on your part, and now your end users, your staff, can look up the current district or enterprise credentials, and those credentials can change on any schedule that you choose. We'll talk more about the automatic password change in a later video.